Right, so first things first, let me get a photo first.
Yeah, I can't believe I got in my car yesterday, but now the key won't work.
Okay, so let's see. So is it push start?
Oh, no. No, it's not.
So where are the keys? Inside?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah.
so the battery must be completely dead. Okay.
It's completely dead.
All right, so you can hold this for now. Let me get the door open first.
Okay. That's a big thing.
Yeah. Well, sometimes you need a little extra tools in order to get the job done correctly. So,
Oh, yeah.
let's first thing first. Let's get this open. Perfect. Yes, ma'am. That's gonna be first.
Okay.
How you doing, my man?
Rosie, I gotta go punch two to sit with my brother tonight. I'll talk at you tomorrow.
All right, Sammy. See you tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, now.
All right. So next we
Thank
gotta.
you, sir.
You're welcome. Next we gotta open the hood.
Okay.
Yeah, look like that's it right there. All right.
These two stupid lights that stay on, you know, these two stupid lights that stay on drain my battery.
Your lights stay on the inside?
Yeah. So you don't know how to take that apart, huh?
Give me 1 second. I'll take a look at it, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. No problem. Okay. All right. You want to try and start it for me right now?
Okay.
All right. Let me get in. Let me get in there. Let's see if I can.
It's these two stupid lights that won't
Those
go
two
off.
right there. Okay. Let's see.
Yeah, it won't go off. And that's why it's draining my battery.
All right. So let's see.
Yeah, that's for the
Sunroof. Yeah, right.
I was just gonna clip all of that.
Nah, you don't need to clip all that. Let's see. Let's make sure all of this is correct. this one.
Oh, wow. You already did it.
Yeah, I just unplugged them. It shouldn't give you any more issues.
Oh, great. Oh, you great.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
That'd be great. Now it won't. Now my battery will be fine.
Yeah, your battery should be okay now. Got those lights turned off.
Okay, great. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much for coming out.
Yes, ma'am. You're welcome. You have a good day, okay?
You too.
At oh, let me complete it. They're gonna ask you. They're gonna send you a text message and ask you how did the job go.
Okay.
Do me a favor and please leave me a review. That helps me get more jobs in the future.
Okay.
I appreciate that. You enjoy the rest of your Sunday, okay?
You too.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.